I'm absolutely delighted to announce the establishment of the Gary Bennett Graduate Fund in Urban Pest Management. And this award has been made possible by a very generous gift to the university and the department by the Indiana Pest Management Association. I'd like to share with you a little bit about the intent of that award. It is to support the strategic initiatives of all the programs related to urban pest management in the department, and there are a number of ways that the award can be used to support those activities, including the research activities of a graduate student, enabling them to undertake core services or attend workshops and training events, to conduct field research or visit the laboratories of a collaborator to learn new techniques, and to enable them to expand and increase the impact of their research and thus the success of their career. So congratulations to Gary, who is the honoree, and our thanks to the Indiana Pest Management Association for the establishment of the award. And now it is my pleasure to actually announce the recipient. The recipient of the inaugural 2024 Gary Bennett Graduate Research Award in Pest Management is Grace Kolb.
I'm grateful and would like to say a big thank you to the Indiana Pest Management Association and Purdue University for their generosity in selecting me to receive this award. Working within the Center for Urban and Industrial Pest Management has provided me a really rigorous environment to grow professionally, as well as make industry and professional connections. The focus on practical and applicable research to improve the health and lives of individuals dealing with pests, as well as the professionals who help them, matches my personal research aims. My PhD studies on delusional parasitosis are addressing a huge unmet need among industry experts, entomologists, and medical professionals. I'm using a series of surveys to better understand how these individuals interact with our professions, and hopefully identify cases and direct them to proper care early on in the course of the disorder. This money will help with the development and distribution of surveys, and especially increasing collaboration with medical professionals so we have someone that we can send these individuals to provide the help they need. Thank you.
So it's great to be back again, I guess for about the 54th year. I'm not real sure. I lost track after 50. That was when I officially retired. But it's been a real great ride. It was, everything that I dreamed for when I got the position at Purdue University. My mom actually took the correspondence course that Purdue University offers back when I was in college. And so it was, I knew the department well. A couple of the fellows on my graduate committee were Purdue graduates, and so they did a lot of encouraging for me to come back and reside here at Purdue. And so we did that, and it's been a real pleasure. Of course, the students are the main things that us faculty depend upon. And so it's been the greatest pleasure to have many, many, many good students who've gone out and served the industry well and served other industries, government, whether it's government or whether it's industry or whether it's academia. And so it's been really great to see those guys have success, and really I learned more from them than they learned from me. So I stand on their shoulders, so to speak. And to receive this award is just sort of the icing on the cake, so to speak. The last thing I really need to thank is the industry. We have many programs that are a result of you guys being part of them, the conferences, the courses, the workshops, and of course the formation of a couple of chaired professorships, one of which is Dr. Pittendry. And then we also have another chaired professorship that is currently open, and I'm hoping will be filled soon. Barry wouldn't tell me. Barry says, I know nothing, I see nothing. But really, all in all, it's the industry and the university and the administration that have made all this happen. And for this particular situation, having a graduate assistantship named after me is really, like I said, icing on the cake. And I thank the students, I thank the faculty, I thank the industry. You guys have really all made it happen. Thanks again.